I'm cleaning. So let me show you where do I usually wash my clothes. Let's go. This is how I carry my stuff. I don't have a car. This is the only horse that I have, so I keep it between my legs here, and I've got a carrier here which takes this. I hope this clothes won't fly on the way. Buy some detergent. I usually stop at this lady's place to buy detergent. Hi. Make vlog. Make vlog. Make you famous. YouTube.
No YouTube?
Beautiful.
No beautiful.
She's so beautiful.
No, bye-bye.
Okay.
No good.
Good, see? Yeah.
No good, no good, no good.
See, it's good. It's good, very good. Alright, let me buy this cute stuff. Two.
Okay.
And no coin. I have. Should I buy something now? Okay. No. Oh. YouTube. No, I'm not rich. Thank you. Take care.
Yes, and you too.
So finally I've reached my destination, and that's the clothes I have to wash, and this is the place that I wash my clothes at. 30 baht. 30 baht. 30 baht. This is given as 50 baht.